In this video we'll be looking at the main guitar parts for Jamie T's song The Old Style Raiders. Super easy to play, standard tuning and no capo. So the verse starts off with a C power chord at the 8th fret of the E string, a G power chord at 10th fret of the A string, D power chord at 10th fret of the E string, and an F power chord at the 8th fret of the A string. For the strumming we're going to strum down 5 times on each chord before killing the pressure. So we've got all down strums, then to the G, into the D, into the F. C, G, D, F. The chorus is exactly the same, we just end on the F chord differently. So we've got the C, G, D, then the F. So for there we're going to strum down 5 times. Move down to the E, which is 1 fret below on the 7th fret of the A string, and then to the D chord, which is a 5th fret of the A string, and a longer strum down there. And that's it. So the bridge is going to sound like this. So we start off with the G power chord and we're going to strum this chord 7 times, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and go to an A power chord at the 12th fret of the A string, same strumming. Enter the F power chord for 2 bars, we're going to strum 8th notes all the way through the first bar, and then the second bar, same again, except for we end with that longer strum. Okay, so second time through is exactly the same, except for the ending. It's G, A, then to the F, and 2 and 3 and 4, and you're going to shoot up to the 15th fret of the A string for a C chord and strum it 7 times. The main riff starts off with a little bar across the G and D strings at the 5th fret. I'm going to pick G, D, G, D, G, D, G. On the forehand, we're going to put the 7th fret down on the G string with the 3rd finger, and also hold the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the D string. I'm going to strum a little up strum there and catch both of those notes. So I'm going to keep this shape down. We're going to pick D, G, D, G, D, G, and go back to 5 and 5, a little strum down, and catch 7 again for the forehand on the G. So those 2 bars together. Then we're going to go up to the 10th fret on the G string. We're going to play the open D and G together. Then pick the G only, strum down again, G and D, then just a G, then the 2 together again. Then we come down to the 9th fret on the G only, 7th fret on the G with also the open, and finish off at the 5th fret of the G only. So then we finish off with an open D, 5th fret on the G repeated. So just from the G at the 10th fret there we've got the, and the whole riff slowly. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.